Good morning on this rather damp, chilly Thursday morning here in Bushy. First one of the day. This is a new client with his 74 plate Triumph 660 Trident. This is in for one of our full Monty valets. Yes, our legendary full Monty valets. Does everything that a full works valet does without the ceramics. So we're gonna, oh my God, look at this chain. We're gonna get this all cleaned up. He has been riding it in the salt and he's worried about corrosion setting in, which it is. See all these little white dots? That's all corrosion setting in. Look at those disc bolts. They're gonna be red rusty in no time. So we're gonna give this a proper detail wash. And then we'll get it in the studio and crack on with some proper detail. And I will polish up these exhausts to get these looking like new again. Get all this salt off. See all this white? There's all corrosion setting in, all bits of salt. So we're gonna get that all removed, get that chain all scrubbed up, and then we'll get it in the studio, get it polished up, and then we're gonna give it a good misting of the XCP clear coat. Every nook and cranny of this bike is gonna get coated with the XCP. That will neutralize any corrosion that's on there already and prevent any further. See all this white? That's all salt. I don't know what they put on the roads nowadays, but it is so harmful for your bike. Anyways, enough of my jibber jabber. Let's get it cleaned, get it washed, get all this contaminants off of it. Oh my God, look at that shock. Get all these contaminants off of this, and then we'll get it in the studio in the heat, and then we'll crack on with some detailing and get some protection on it. Watch this space. Okay, Triumph Trident is now fully washed, decontaminated, now in the studio for some detailing. I managed to get all the salt off of it, every nook and cranny. I've got lots of polishing to do on bits and pieces which are already starting to show their age, even though this bike has only got a couple of thousand miles on it. First step is to sort this chain out. I've just thoroughly blow dried every bit of moisture out of it. Look at the sprockets already going rusty. So we're going to brush a load of XCP orange onto this sprocket nuts and this sprocket just to neutralize any corrosion. I've got the chain lube being warmed up with some boiling water. We start out with the XCP. A little tip when you're oiling your chain, put a bit of paper behind the chain there. So I always spray on the inside here. Like I said, I will go on the other side and spray the inner of the chain, but it just stops all the chain lube going over all your exhaust box there and getting it all mucky. So yeah, it just makes that little bit of a difference. Makes it nice and easy to keep that exhaust box nice and clean. there you go. This Triumph Trident has now been fully trotted. Oh my God, what a transformation on this beauty. This has had one of our legendary full Monty valets. I'm sure you've been following along. Thorough decontaminated wash. We did a snow foam on it just to finish it off. Back in the studio, fully blow dried, making sure to remove any moisture from any switch gear, etc. All the front exhaust there has all been polished up like new. All the collector box, all that burnt on chain lube has all been removed and polished up like new. Chain's been fully serviced, washed, blow dried, and thoroughly lubed. All your footrest hangers have been lightly sanded and polished, as well as the levers. Look, I even mirror polished up the levers. They were showing a little bit of wear and tear. Single stage polish on the tank. Now looking like new again and fully protected for the winter ahead. Get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. I mean, what are you waiting for? Keep your pride and joy, looking its finest for years to come. Give us a buzz, 07966 249 963.